So lately, I think my skin is changing and I notice more redness, more bumps, more texture every time I apply makeup. Parang hindi na talaga niya natatakpan. And despite that, I still want a dewy finish every time I put on makeup. So today's video is about that. We are going to try our best to create a dewy makeup finish with a red lip, and we will try to minimize the bumps and the textures that I have on my face. By the way, my name is Susie. I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you just love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So, nag-apply na ako ng moisturizers, ng toner. Ang next na i-apply natin is sunscreen. And we are going to use this time the Sola Foundation Primer. I have two because I mixed the two of them. Actually, mas marami na itong shade ranges in the market. Nagkataon lang marami pa ako nung sand beige at saka nung light beige. Pinaghahalo ko kasi sila. So today, ang gagawin lang natin is, I will apply this since this is a primer foundation na, but we will still apply foundation ha, hindi ito yung final. We will use it as a primer this time. Apply ko lang yung light beige, pero gagawin talaga natin konti. Hindi ko dadamihan to. So ito gaganon lang natin para lang hindi ganun kadami. This has to, for me, it has to be thin enough so that ma-achieve ko yung look na gusto natin. Ito na ginamit kong applicator, itong flat foundation brush. Parang panlagay lang siya eh. Hindi siya talaga pang like to blend or something. Now, here is my blender using my foundation brush. Okay, bakit ito ang ginamit ko? I am going to use my Estee Lauder. Yes, the Double Wear Foundation is not for a dewy look, but just wait. My skin kasi, I'm a combination. I am either oily or dry. So, combination skin ako, and because of that, I have the tendency to really oil up pag tagal-tagal. And the products that we will be using need to adapt to that kind of skin. Okay, these next two hacks I actually got from Nina Obi. It's something that I saw recently in one of her videos, and she used the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. We don't have that. We only have local products here in my channel. And so I will use instead the BLK Radiant Glow Filter. And then, by the way, before this, she actually addressed texture. She was saying siya rin daw, I think this makeup artist is about my age eh. So, meron din siyang texture issues sa skin niya. Yung areas na nagkaka-texture, nilagyan na natin ng foundation primer ha. Lalagyan ko ngayon ng powder. First time ko tong gagawin. Wala naman din akong sponge. So, ito na lang. This is clean by the way. So, I'll try my best to apply the powder kung nasaan yung texture. And ako, dito mostly yung texture ko. Dito sa area na to. Nakabahan ako dito kasi first time kong gagawin to. Okay, ginamit ko yung Maybelline Fit Me kasi this is a really great blurring powder in my experience with it. Guys, if the lights are harsh, please forgive me. There's no sunlight today. We only have artificial lights in my studio. So, sa malayo, diba, okay naman yung shade na ginamit ko for the primer and all. And then next, she did say a radiant filter is necessary. So, dati I would apply this all over my face and this would be, parang ito yung gagawin kong foundation. Now, it will just be applied in some areas that I want to be dewy. In portions mo ilalagay yung foundation and this radiance, not all over the face. She actually used her fingers when she applied this. Yung ilong ko gusto ko dito. So, she used her fingers. So, we will also, for this at least, alam mo, itong BLK, I really love this product. I really like how high-end it feels. And even if it's a drugstore or a local product, ang ganda ng performance niya. Naiinip ako sa fingers. Ala, naiinip ako ah. Sige lang, I'm getting inip. With my other foundation, let me just make sure it's patted in to the skin. So this BLK Radiant filter can be a foundation or it can be mixed with your other foundation. So very versatile product siya. Now that we're done with the filter and we've applied it in the areas that I actually want shine. Next is foundation. Technically, hindi to dewy product. This is a very mattifying product, the Estee Lauder Double Wear. But why am I going to use this? One, this is the product that after a very long time or after a lot of hours, it becomes dewy yung finish. Nagiging parang skincare yung face. Remember kung saan tayo naglagay ng powder kanina? Doon siya, ipapatong pa rin natin. Like almost film-like lang yung ilalagay natin na foundation. Hindi sobrang dami. With the Sola Foundation Primer, this works best. Why? Kasi the tendency of the Sola Foundation Primer is to oil up my face. So ito will prevent the oiling up to be too much. And it will make it look like it's skincare or it's just like a filter on your... Parang ganun lang yung effect niya. Oh, at saka tinan mo, oh. Ang kagandahan dyan, tinan mo, yung nilagay kong mga glowy products, andyan pa, hindi nawala. Next is concealer. Ito, I'm still thinking about it. Should I apply? Sige, just a little bit of the brightening concealer of Fit Me. Dito lang. And then with my concealer brush, oh yeah, pati palang eyelids nilalagyan ko, by the way. So far on cam, hindi nyo makikita yung texture na sinasabi ko. I have a feeling talagang hindi, well, you never really see it even in the past na ginagamit ko siya. Hindi talaga, hindi mo makikita sa camera. Pero so far, ang ganda nung effect, yung hindi ko nilagay all over yung radiant filter kasi I have a habit of using this talaga as an all over funda. Pero parang I'm seeing now na hindi ko pala kailangan gawin yun, no? Alright. Before I move on, this is another tip from Nina Ubi. Naglalagay muna siya ng powder sa eyes para daw hindi mag-crease. Next is, technically it's contour, but for this, I am not going to use my typical or my usual multiganda stick because mattifying siya. It has to be in that space where we just put it na mukha siyang skin pa rin or not muddy or not super matte. And then, once again, with my Fresh K Beauty Lab brush, I will just do this. Again, with the patting. And just put it in areas where I feel like some warmth. And guys, tinan mo, yan sinasabi ko. Pag yung multiganda kasi matatakpan niya talaga yung glow. Ito, hindi. Nag-blend lang siya, yung filter, making sure my microphone works. Next is blush. For this blush, we will use the Issey & Co na cream cheek blush in Baby Girl. See, what I like about this blush is that it glows with the products that you use. Parang ayaw niya tumalab. Sige, didiretso ko ah. Lalagay ko kasi at the back of my hand sana eh. Pero dito didiretso ko na. So, because the lip that we want to use today is red, I want to minimize the shade of the blush. We want to emphasize the dewy skin and the red lip today. Ayan o. Kaya gustong-gusto ko tong blush na to eh. Very youthful lang siya sa skin. Tapos, very sheer yung application niya. Hindi ka masyadong, hindi pop na pop yung kulay. Parang andyan pa rin, nakikita pa rin yung skin mo. Okay, let's do quick eyes and quick everything. For this, dahil may powder na tayo, lalagay ko na lang yung a little of the shade from Natasha Denona. It's like a brown. Dahil nag-set na tayo, yung powder helped in making sure makalat ko talaga. Kasi usually kapag wala akong nilalagay na product sa mata, nagiging hindi ko makalat properly yung eyeshadow. So ito at least ganyan, okay na yan. A little dimension. Here on my mirror, it's not coming off too brown, but in the camera, it is. So just for the purpose na hindi siya totally maging brown, with the same brush, I'm gonna add a dust of shimmer. Just here in the middle. Swirl it up lang. Not sure if you're gonna see it on cam ha. Let me just zoom in. So yan. Diba? Like concentrate on the middle and then saka to swirl on the outside. We're gonna stay with this zoom camera, okay? Para makita nyo, ayan, do you see the texture that I'm talking about? Ayan na siya, ayan. Ganyan na yung skin ko. And then with a very light eyeliner, this is the BYS in Coffee Bean. We'll just do a tight line, okay? And this is like a coffee latte than the Nishido that I have. The other one is like very dark, rich brown. Ito kasi parang tan lang. Hindi sila maglalaban ng... And then with this flat brush, I'm gonna moving it up lang, konti. Gumamit ako ng curler ngayon. Just brown mascara this time. Careful now. Kinda done with the eyes. So we're just getting everything out of the way. Bibilisan natin sa mata. The Bobbi Cosmetics eye brightener is a must for me. Like, I always need it. This do not land anywhere else. I don't use this anywhere else but here. And then with a little, just a little bit of like a shade or something. Yan. I don't know why nauso to. This was years ago. I think I watched a video of Vanessa Hudgens applying eyeshadow here, and I thought, okay, that's a great idea. Let's do it. Now the eyebrows. So with the spoolie just fixed with my brow styler. Again, guys, I no longer pluck or do anything with my brows na. Ang konti na lang na talaga niya. Hindi na siya tulad ng dati na sobrang dami. So ngayon talagang I let it be. I don't touch it anymore. Just letting that dry. Just remove some of the excess para lang mabawasan yung product kung nasobrahan. Heavy rotation eyebrow creator. Parang tinitingnan ko dito, andun pa rin yung texture. Hindi naman na-achieve yata. Bahala na, sige. Parang it was pointless to put the powder on that area. But let's see. Baka naman I'm wrong later. The shade is there. It's coming together. Alright. That's it for the eyes. Yes. How do you like it so far? Kinda nervous, but I am seeing a promising look. Kasi I'm looking at this, yung aking mirror na na talagang malapitan. Nakita ko talaga texture ko. Hindi, I mean, it's there, pero hindi masama. Like, everything, talagang, skin is skin, kumbaga. What we're gonna do next is powder. Let us really hope that this will really do the trick. I'm gonna use, again, my puff, okay? So, this will help in minimizing the bumps and to give a more blurring finish to the skin. I wanted to achieve a dewy look, of course, but yes, we need to set it because I am one of those that have to set my makeup or else it will just run. It will not achieve anything. You know, so far naman, ang ganda ng effect ng filter. Parang dewy pa rin yung finish kahit na ganun. With my powder blush, let me just... Lalo na dito. Talagang kailangan. Now, we're gonna move on to another blush. This time, I'm gonna use my Milani Baked Blush. It's the one that's complementing my lips. Okay. Again, not too much because we want a nice luminous cheek as well. A little bit on the nose, ha. Lagyan natin. Ayan. So far, ang ganda nung effect. And then with the bronzer, in places that I feel I want to add some warmth. And we are gonna move on now to the lips. Almost done, guys. Almost done. So earlier, I've already prepped my lips, but you know me, I just need to add more. I have to have a little bit more of this para lang mag-glide yung lip liner. How are you loving the makeup so far? Kahit na may konti siyang mattifying products, parang na-achieve natin yung glow. Okay, with my MAC Ruby Woo lip liner. So I had a recent video that I did. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it here on this video. Kasi ang ginawa ko doon, parang everyday makeup tutorial na concealer lang. Yung pang tamad days, kumbaga. Doon kasi, ang ginamit kong lip was nude. It's a brownish pink na nude ang ginamit ko. But usually, on a very, very, very lazy day, I will only apply sunblock, red lips, eyebrows. That's it. Pero kung may konting effort na gagawin para lang minimal lang yung makeup kasi kailangan mo lang presentable yung iyong makeup for that particular day, yun yung gagawin ko. Like that video. So, please, panoorin nyo siya ha. And of course, for this, I will be using my Fenty MVP Liquid Lipstick. This is something I'll buy again for sure. Na hindi ko naiisipin yung presyo. Blot it a little bit para mag-mattify lang talaga. Oh my gosh. So, here we are. We are done. So, this is the final look. Guys! Okay, ang ganda. I really, really love it. Sometimes my vocabulary is just that. I love it. Ang ganda niya kasi, una, ang ganda ng pagka-luminous ng skin ko ngayon. Like, on camera and on pictures, approve na approve siya. Ang ganda. Ngayon, dun lang tayo nagkakatalo kasi nakikita ko talaga yung texture. And I think, this is something I have to accept. I think I've always had good skin even when I was younger. Or maybe because of the sunblock. I don't know. I think that's the one that's been added now na talagang feeling ko it's causing more texture than smoothness. But no worries. Hahanap tayo ng remedy dyan kung kailangan. Pero, I want to say that if you're someone who is struggling with texture on skin, I think you'll be okay. If you apply the makeup that you like and you just want to sort of keep them parang in control or checked, you really need to know the products that you will be applying. But let it come through. Like, let the texture, the bumps, just let it show. Kumbaga, makeup can only cover so much, but you just have to let the skin be skin. So I'm gonna do another test today. I'm gonna test it out a few hours and see what will happen. And here's hoping it's going to be good. Hello there, I am back. And this is the longest check-in I have ever done in my videos. It's already 5:45 in the evening. And the last time I applied my full-on makeup was at 12 noon. So what can I really say about this makeup? It's been that long. After 2 hours, kanina, I had to retouch. First, I blotted because I was starting to really oil up. I was actually so nervous because texture was already peeking through my makeup. And I thought the purpose of the makeup today is to cover it up. So I was worried, ano ba to? Bakit nga ba? Why is my texture starting to come out na? Because this is not something I'm used to. So I think this is already a new normal for me. I think it's age. Or it could be the combination of the products that I'm using. I think I need to find a sunscreen that will give me the least reaction on my skin. But okay, let's focus now on the good things. So, I reapplied at 2:30 powder, thinking na baka ma-remedy pa, and that worked. It slowed down my oils, and then the dewiness, parang mas na-achieve after I applied the powder. Kita mong dewy, plus an almost bare-faced finish on the skin with just a focal point of a red lip. To me, that's always a good idea. I will always love this makeup look. The color story of this is one of my favorites. So that is it for today's video. Ako ay nag-enjoy at ang dami ko ring natutunan. So I really hope na magkita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye!